Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sumaya Ahmed, moderator at Platform for Anatomy. Today our topic is structure of ovary. The ovary is covered by a single layer of tubercle or flattened cells known as the germinal epithelium, and the substance of the gland consists of inner medulla and outer cortex. The medulla is composed of loose connective tissue, unstripped muscles, blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves. Small number of cells similar to the interstitial cells of Leydig in the testes are also present in the medulla. They may be the source of androgen secretion. The cortex consists of stroma cells, some of which are thickly arranged beneath the germinal epithelium to form the tunic albuginea. The cortex contains a number of structures which are different in different periods of life. At birth, primordial follicles. The cortex contains about 1 million or more primordial follicles. Before puberty, most of the primordial follicles degenerate and disappear by a process of apoptosis. But about 40,000 follicles persist at puberty and exhibit some periodic changes during reproductive period of life. Each primordial follicle consists of a centrally placed sex cell known as the primary oocyte having about 25 micrometer in diameter and is surrounded by a single layer of flat follicular cells derived from the somatic tissue. Each primary oocyte possesses an eccentric nucleus with diploid chromosomes and starts the process of first meiotic division in parental life. But at birth, the division is arrested at metaphase with a prolonged resting dictatorine stage. First meiotic division of the primary oocyte is complete shortly before ovulation. In childbearing period, on an average, this period extends from 15 years to 50 years. That means from puberty to menopause. During this period, the sequence of menstruation of the primordial follicles is divided into primary, secondary, and tertiary follicular stages. During reproductive life, the cortex contains the ovarian follicles and corpora lutea at different stages of development, atretic follicles, and corpora albicans. Maturation of ovarian follicles. After puberty, out of 40,000 primordial follicles, about 5 to 12 follicles undergo a process of maturation in each monthly menstrual cycle. As a rule, one follicle from any one of the two ovaries fully matures and thereafter ruptures, discharging in each month a secondary oocyte in the peritoneal cavity, which subsequently gains entrance into the uterine tube. Rest of the follicles undergo atresia and are converted into interstitial cells. A mature ovarian follicle is known as the Agraffian follicle. The phenomenon of rupture is known as the remaining at puberty. Only about 400 undergo ovulation during reproductive years. Thank you so much for your interest.